Gonna get all that out, replace it with a new one. As you can see, we don't have a compressor, but that's the least of my problems. I have a leak, and I already ordered the new thermostat and the gasket, just in case. And the little water pump. The alternator look kind of new. Hey, what's up, D? How you doing, my man? You chilling? All right, that's what's up. Stuff inside. I just got it, so I don't know what kind of carburetor that is. If any of y'all could tell me. You got some headers, short headers, I guess. GBA Performance. Get up here. What is that? Number? Anyway, she's gonna be done up. Try to get up in there. See what I can. I think there's a power steering pump. A lot of stuff cut. This tank brake fluid is so dark. Windshield wipers work. You see it's cracked. I'll bring it back.